Trucent's mission is to provide fluid filtration, fluid purification services for the industrial market, ranging from automotive, aerospace, medical, to anybody who uses fluid in their day-to-day process. My name is Jeff Justek. I'm Director of Sales for the Industrial Group. We're one of the largest fluid filtration companies in the United States, distributing and manufacturing a line of centrifuges used in a variety of industries has allowed us not only to expand beyond the United States, we're in 23 countries around the world. When customers come to us with fluid issues, we have a wide range of technologies to bring to the table. A full-scale lab that has the ability to break down the fluid, determine the best technology and the feasibility of meeting the customer's end goal. Sustainability has been a buzzword around manufacturing for several years now, and bringing in our technology, which allows them to reuse and not produce as much waste, has been a part of our mission and goals for years.
My name is Jonathan Rendell, and I am the Control Systems Manager here. When I arrived at Trucent, I was honestly the only controls engineer here. We were still fairly small in terms of the control side of things, and I found a lot of antiquated technology, not bad and not problematic, but there was a lot of opportunity for improvement. So we had to take an approach of how do we use what we're currently using and grow on that while not forgetting our past and continuing our tradition of sustained well-built machines and technology. That started the whole thing, the hardware switch. When we dove into IO-Link and really started using it, and now it's just to streamline the process. So installation is way easier. It's a matter of plug and play. And so that's reduced labor time. So as we've continued and grown our relationship with IFM, we saw immediate results the moment we switched to IO-Link. Not only is it giving us access to more sensor data, more capability of sensors, it's making it easier both for our own internal teams and our customers.
Maintenance burdens have hit manufacturing tremendously in the last 5 years, and having the capability to put in a piece of technology through our service program, where we visit on a daily, weekly, monthly basis to ensure optimization and efficiency of the equipment, as well as the fluid purification demands that change from day to day. As we modernized our sensors and controls, it's allowed our overall team to focus on other areas. Our service team has been less burdened on the day-to-day functionality of our equipment because the data that we're receiving is real-time. Controls are the backbone of manufacturing in today's world, where data, speed, and uptime are critical. Having a partner like IFM add value to our overall platform of controls and sensors has allowed us to meet the customer's demands for real-time data. As remote monitoring of technologies has become more prominent, it's also allowed our internal team to see the changes sooner, quicker, and be able to react on minutes' notice versus days.
We've definitely gone from a system of releasing equipment and machines out the door and not hearing back from customers until there's a problem, to now having systems that deliver real-time data with a multitude of sensors, from conductivity, pH, humidity, flow, level, and different industries from aerospace to manufacturing all require different aspects of those data. And we're now dabbling in the world of being able to provide that to them in a real-time basis. It's giving us access to data that we haven't seen or been able to utilize before. By using things like IoT and opportunities potentially through platforms like Moneo Cloud, we can now begin to offer our clients and our customers the ability to access that real-time data at any point. And now we have definitely progressed and transformed into much more real-time, greater, more complex systems, pulling everything from flow to the tank levels all at the same time, and in a visibility form that is easy on the eye, and our customers are able to view it that way as well.
Having a partner like IFM bring to us the technology of IO-Link has allowed us to get real-time data faster, service our equipment quicker, and overall make a complex system into a much simpler machine. Our goal is to continue to grow our relationship with IFM as they come out with new innovative products.